Today I have one Honda Accord. This car have a problem, car not start, and fault code P060A PCM AT system internal control module. That means power control module internal fault, which is engine ECM, and then P1659 ETCS control relay off malfunction. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem, why car not start and why those internal fault came in engine control module. Okay, here you can see I try to start car but not start. Immobilizer light also blinking, and fault cause already I show you this one. Okay, so ignition off, remove engine ECM and check. Here is the engine ECM location. Now I will remove it and I will show you where is the problem. Check first, remove engine ECM, remove battery. Here is the ECM. I already removed engine ECM, but I didn't get any fault. There is everything is perfect, socket and everything fixing. Then one thing I see here you can see one body ground is here, which is main one. Okay, one is here for main engine. I see this is loose. See, I don't know who removed it before or whatever it is, but they didn't fix properly. This is main ground. Here you can see this is loose. They didn't fix properly this see ground bolt. So now we fix it and check. Fix it properly. Now I fix battery and check. Fix battery now and check if it is working. First of all, reset fault code, erase code, successfully done. Okay, ignition off, then ignition on and start car. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, before car not start, and we find out here there is a one wiring issue. That's the problem. Thank you. And now you can see here there is no fault, no warning light, car start, everything is perfect.